Phoenix, Arizona has millions of old bulbs waiting for a second life. Here in Phoenix, every load begins a remarkable transformation.
Now the old bulbs arrive at our massive Phoenix recycling factory.
Phoenix sends these discarded bulbs straight into the recycling chain.
Millions of old light bulbs are about to become luxury glass.
Millions of old light bulbs are about to become luxury glass.
This is where millions of discarded bulbs officially enter the process.
Every container is handled carefully before the real recycling begins. And now, Phoenix's discarded bulbs begin their journey back into glass.
First, workers inspect exactly what has arrived from Phoenix collection sites. And now, Phoenix's discarded bulbs begin their journey back into glass.
Inside Phoenix, the chaos is about to become perfectly organized. Inside Phoenix, the chaos is about to become perfectly organized. Now the real transformation begins inside this Phoenix facility.
Every bulb is fed into the system at a controlled rate. Every bulb is fed into the system at a controlled rate. Here, the first separation removes what the glass doesn't need.
The recovered glass keeps moving toward its next transformation.
Next, the recovered glass gets its first serious cleaning.
Mechanical separators now divide the glass by size and composition. From here, machines take over the entire glass handling process. Mechanical separators now divide the glass by size and composition. Now the old bulbs are crushed into reusable glass fragments. What was once a light bulb is now raw recycled glass.
What was once a light bulb is now raw recycled glass.
Another cleaning stage removes the final traces of contamination. After washing, machines separate the water from the clean glass. Powerful airflow dries the recycled glass before melting. Final mechanical sorting removes the last unwanted particles. Now the cleaned glass waits as the next stage begins. Next stop, the furnace, where old bulbs become molten glass. Inside Phoenix, the recycled glass finally meets extreme heat. The intense heat slowly turns those fragments into molten glass. Now the old bulbs have become one continuous stream of molten glass. The molten glass must reach the perfect temperature before forming. And this is where recycled glass starts becoming a luxury vase. Controlled air expands the hot glass into its elegant vase shape. Controlled air expands the hot glass into its elegant vase shape. Seconds later, a discarded bulb has a completely new identity. Before becoming durable, every vase must cool down slowly. This slow cooling prevents hidden stresses from forming inside the glass. Fully cooled, the new vases are ready for precision finishing. Now precision machines give every vase its perfectly smooth rim. The rough edge disappears, leaving a clean, luxury finish. Next, every surface is cleaned until the recycled glass looks brand new. Every vase is inspected for tiny flaws before it can move forward. Only the flawless pieces continue toward the luxury finishing stage. Only the flawless pieces continue toward the luxury finishing stage. In Phoenix, Arizona, recycled glass gets its luxury finish. Precision polishing gives each vase a crystal clear surface. The neck and rim receive one final precision treatment. Phoenix's finished vases get one final wash before inspection. Then, powerful filtered air leaves the glass completely spotless. This is what millions of discarded bulbs became in Phoenix. Every Phoenix vase is checked for perfect shape and symmetry. Non-contact inspection checks the glass for consistency and clarity. Bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest visible imperfections. Bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest visible imperfections. bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest visible imperfections. Only the perfect pieces continue through the Phoenix production line. Now the recycled glass gets its final luxury surface finish. Every curve is polished until the glass looks almost crystal clear. Every curve is polished until the glass looks almost crystal clear.
A subtle etched pattern turns recycled glass into premium decor.
Under the lights, the new texture gives each vase a premium identity. Under the lights, the new texture gives each vase a premium identity. Phoenix's finished vases get one final rinse before the last inspection.
Filtered air leaves the finished glass completely clean and dry.
One final polish makes the recycled glass shine like luxury crystal.
Each Phoenix vase gets one last check for perfect proportions.
Clear, flawless glass is what makes this transformation worth watching. From discarded bulbs to luxury vases, Phoenix has completed the transformation.
Before packaging, every Phoenix vase faces its final quality check. Even the bottom of every vase is checked for perfection. A perfectly smooth rim completes the vase's premium finish.
Every approved vase now moves toward its final destination, packaging.
After all that work, Phoenix luxury vases are finally ready for protection. First, each Phoenix vase receives a protective layer. A cushioning layer protects the glass during its journey.
Strong cartons are formed to protect the finished glass.
Each protected vase is lowered safely into its own carton. Finally, each carton is sealed and ready for the warehouse.
From Phoenix's packaging line, the finished vases enter storage.
Then sealed cartons are organized onto shipping pallets. Protective wrapping keeps every Phoenix shipment secure in transit.
Now these recycled glass vases are ready to leave Phoenix. Millions of old bulbs became luxury glass, right here in Phoenix, Arizona.
Thanks for watching Behind the Goods. Subscribe for more incredible factory stories.